In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comply with labor laws using QuickBooks Time on a laptop browser. We'll walk through the essential settings and reports that help you track hours accurately, control approvals, manage time off, and meet location requirements. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to change company settings, as that's where most compliance controls live. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Time account on your laptop. Once you're in, look to the left navigation menu and click Company Settings. This is the hub where you'll set up the guardrails that support compliance. Head to the Time Options section. Here, ensure your time entry rules align with your policies. Allow employees to manage their own timesheets so they can enter and correct hours promptly, which reduces errors and keeps records current. If your policy requires context for changes or special shifts, turn on the requirement for notes. Notes are valuable for documenting reasons for edits, meals and rest breaks, or other details that may be reviewed later. Also enable approvals for edits. This creates a clear review process and an audit trail showing who changed what and when, which is critical during audits. Next, scroll to Time Off. Decide who can enter time off. Administrators, managers, or team members, based on your internal policy and how you want requests to flow. Require approvals for all time off requests is to ensure every absence is documented and approved before it affects schedules or payroll. Allow managers to edit time off ledgers so they can correct balances when needed, helping you maintain accurate records for paid leave requirements. Under Location, turn on Location Tracking or Geofencing if your local labor laws or workplace policies require on-site verification. Be sure your team is informed and only track during working hours. This can help verify work locations and support wage and hour compliance for on-site roles. To monitor activity, go to Reports, then Logging and Auditing, and open the timesheet log. Review hours, edits, and approvals regularly. Look for backdated entries, missing approvals, or patterns that might indicate potential noncompliance. For broader oversight, run reports like Hours by Employee or Hours by Location. Use these to check maximum work hours, overtime thresholds, and paid leave usage. Filter by date range that matches your pay period, and compare totals to your policy. Export and securely store these reports so you have a reliable paper trail for audits and payroll. That's it. Log in, set time options, configure time off, enable location tracking if required, monitor the timesheet log, run your hours reports, and keep records. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.